just waste some 15 tickets. I could just get it back. What is that? What's that long brown thing? It's a razor clam. Interesting. Okay. That's very interesting. Never heard of that before. Okay, okay, I got a razor clam. Oh, it is Naguls. Okay. So there's manila clams, hard shell clams, and razor clams. Okay. Now start wasting my nets. I'm also just use 5 just in case if there's more shell goals. I don't have the calendar up in my head from memory, but I know. Ooh, I got rockfish. But I know that there might be another. There might be more goals. Just put this in my marker box. Yeah, so I can give you a gift if you get if you win. Okay, I might as well waste one more net. And if I don't get any, then I might as well wait until I get some more. And I get nothing. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Because this is gonna take a while. I have a long way to go. I have a long way to go and there's 2 days left. I already picked up all the hard shell clams required and the razor clam ones. I need 7 more of these manila clams. And I need around 25 more shells. I need 25 more shells so I can reach the goal and then get Quinn's clear cookie. So yeah, I'll just leave it here for now. And I'll be right back when I get the last few shells. Because this is gonna take a while. This is the reason why I don't really I'm not into shell goals. They take a while. And I instantly get bored. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it off. Yeah. See what happens. There's so many days and hours. Of course, I finally got all of the shells. And of course, I ran out of room. Hold up. Just put this in my marker box. And of course, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Let me just collect all these. Okay. I'm so glad that I finished these goals. It took forever. It took me 2 days. And then I finally got the cookie. Finally. Now let's see what I get. Hope I get a very good item. And I know I got more tiny fish. Hold up. Let me just... Yeah. It's clear cookie. Let's go. See what I get. I like how this matches my outfit. 4-star. You'll drop your phone, but your screen will not shatter. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. I got a water partition. It's so cute. I love it. I can add that to my campsite. I can add it to my campsite. If I got another one of this, I can add it to my campsite. It's so cute. I love it. A bunch more items to go. Let me see what's in this cookie. Cause I do love the items in there. No, this guy's lavish. What am I saying? This one. So I got the water partition. There's the clear cafe entrance, the clear kitchen counter. Looks cute. Cafe pillar, the water rug. I didn't want the rug. There's a cafe uniform. There's a parfait table. A clear cafe tray with the parfait on it. This is so nice. This is nice. Of course, it's this one. I haven't got anything out of this one yet. Might as well give it a try after this. I can't save my tickets. I can't. But I might as well just wait a bit longer. Then I'll just try the cookie. So yeah. If you like this, make sure you give this a like. Share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I guess that's it. I'll just get out of here and spawn some more fish. Continue with this fish and turn you off screen. I'll just try to upload and try to stay consistent because I've been behind on some videos. So it's finally over and I'm glad that I get to like make more videos, of course. So yeah, if you like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, as I said. Make sure, yeah, turn on the bell so you'll know when I make new videos. And have a nice day. God bless you and see you later. And it's Queen Play signing out. Peace.